very rare person who can have the experience of and create singularity and oneness in their world. It's a very rare person who can do that, who has not had the experience of oneness internally. And I'm going to tell you how we have that experience so that we can then become that thing and extrapolate it out into our external environment, into the outer world that we perceive as the world. There are traditions in our ancestry. There are compounds in nature that allow us to disrobe ourselves of the thinking, quote unquote, rational compulsive mind. You know, Einstein said it best. He said, we do not resolve the problems with the same mind that created the problems.